Hi everyone, it's time for part 2. Let's start with that we stopped. So we stopped here, so first you need to click logo and choose one logo like me after and type your channel name and change style and color it. Your logo is ready. Sorry friends, I tell fast, so you see the and make logo. And please help us to reach 200 subscribes please guys. And guys, how is your day today? Comment me. And you see my gaming channel and you see that channel also, I will link in description. And subscribe that channel also. This like we make our own logo and customize logo in only one app. This video you liked, like and share and subscribe please.